The 2023 Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet stands as a captivating and luxurious convertible sports car. Its eye-catching design features aerodynamic curves, an iconic silhouette, and a folding soft top that can be operated at speeds up to 31 miles per hour in just 12 seconds. With a range of colors available, including black, white, red, blue, and green, drivers can personalize their Carrera Cabriolet to suit their style. At the heart of the 911 Carrera Cabriolet lies a robust 3-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine. This powerful engine delivers an exhilarating driving experience, producing 379 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Carrera Cabriolet can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a thrilling 4.2 seconds. Its top speed reaches an impressive 180 miles per hour, showcasing its performance capabilities. Inside the 911 Carrera Cabriolet, drivers are greeted with a luxurious and well-appointed cabin. High-quality materials and finishes, such as leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, contribute to the upscale atmosphere. The center stage is taken by a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. With practicality in mind, the 911 Carrera Cabriolet offers a cargo capacity of 13.2 cubic feet with the top up and 11.8 cubic feet with the top down. This ample storage space ensures that drivers can bring along their belongings for weekend getaways or daily errands. Furthermore, optional extras, such as a sport exhaust system, a carbon fiber roof, and a heated steering wheel, allow drivers to customize their Carrera Cabriolet to their preferences. As part of the esteemed Porsche 911 series, the Carrera Cabriolet exemplifies the brand's heritage and commitment to excellence. Its timeless design elements, modern technology, and exhilarating performance make it an irresistible choice for enthusiasts and luxury car aficionados. With various trim levels available, including the base Carrera, Carrera S, and Carrera GTS, drivers can select the Carrera Cabriolet that best suits their desires. The Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet captivates with its striking design, powerful engine, and luxurious interior. It offers an unforgettable driving experience, combining speed, style, and comfort. With a wide range of customization options and a dedication to safety, the Carrera Cabriolet stands as an exceptional choice for those seeking a high-performance convertible that embodies the legacy of the iconic 911 series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.